My collective, please starting is help us. Okay. So, overall energy is you feel entrapped to a situation. I don't know what situation that, and I don't wanna read it deeply, okay? I'm not laughing at your connection, okay? Or your current situation. You're keeping to yourself whatever you are really feeling, and you've been looking at to your mirrored soul or someone, okay? So, let's go. What you should really do in this situation as of now. Okay. May gulay. You know you are in a current situation when people are manipulated you. You could be an emperor if you wanted to, however, people are manipulating your current mentality. Yeah. You have a desire in life. You want to make an opportunity. If you're going to agree to do something, be sure to follow through. Don't tarnish your reputation. Go forward with focus, intention, and hard work, and you'll see your dreams to come to fruition. If you want to do something, hold your ground no matter what, because you know, you already know what to do and you got this. Don't let anyone tell you what to do. You may be careless as of now of the feelings of others or your own feelings. So, I think you have to remain empathic to yourself, not to other people. I think you had enough caring about other people. I think it's time to care about yourself. You might be jealous of someone, thinking about who are they with or what they are doing, something like that. Please don't think about that much, especially if that person is not yours, okay? Or yeah, because I think it's your own decision to make to move in the other way, okay? I don't think that your person, your mirrored soul, will wait for you. I think your person want to move forward and you don't like that. However, you can take your own throne, because as I can see, you could be an emperor. However, you choose to think about what others and what is right for you. You make other people choice to your own life. So let's see what's your guides want to tell you in your current situation. Okay, I don't want to trigger everyone, but it is what it is. I don't want to lie. I don't know why English reading it's always making me hard to maybe my guides want me to think about what is the right words to say, and that is the most kind of words. But still, some people will still triggered about what I'm trying to say, okay? There will be a right time when you have to harvest your own strength to do something, to collide with someone. I heard collide. If you want to have a change, you have to make a transition. You really need to start a new chapter in your life. These people around you, or this situation you're currently entrapped with, is already closed book, but you keep repeating it, reading it, and that's why you're not growing. Your guides want to tell you that you have to have a new outlook in life. You don't need to be gentle to other people. You need to be gentle to you. Okay, you don't need to hear what their opinion, that's their own life. You have to hear your own voice, okay? I hope this collective helps you, and yeah, make a better choice, and bye-bye.